Hello everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace here. Look, I have become convinced that we use the term education far too loosely. We have created a situation in which the term has become completely ambiguous. To me, education has always and still is the act of empowering and preparing our youth to go out into a world that is inherently hostile towards them and not only compete, but win. It is not simply the attainment of academic skills. It is the understanding of oneself. It is the understanding of one's role. It is the understanding of one's identity. It's embracing one's identity and using the gifts within that identity to go out and make a difference. It's time for a change.
So good morning, class. Tomorrow I will be taking a day off and we will be having a substitute teacher tomorrow, or teacher, because in Jamaica we don't say teacher, we say teacher.
My brothers and sisters of color, we gotta do better. No survival in this era if we turning on each other. Like a family reunited, they hate it when we together. Sit down, let's talk about it. Listen to the teachers, let them tell you. You want facts behind your questions, Dr. Rick, give them the answer. Followed by wise words, introducing Dr. Michael Blanchard. Many guests and activists every week leading by example. When there's problems, there's solutions. Together we are the answer. The teachers. When I was young, thought as a child, but when I became a man, stand on my own with a smile. Life a lesson in this roller coaster, just go through the trials. Ancestors could have been royalty, with your lifestyle make them proud. Your education is not the learning of facts, let it sink. Preparation of training that's in your mind when you think. The actions of your behavior influences your beliefs, so the action in actuality makes it reality. Martin had a dream, people dying over materialistic things. Amongst your peers you can only talk women, cars and bling. We ain't on the same page, you don't want the same thing. How to build and expand. When I talk amongst kings, you should build your brother up when he fall back down. Nowadays they do it for the clout to get a laugh now. Do what you can, you pray the same love pass down. People selfish, they'll drain you till you pass out. Open your mind, pay attention, don't be a victim to the system. Some people physically locked up, some people mentally in prison. Removing the fathers, giving poor benefits to the women. Equality and economy, it ain't benefiting their business. My brothers and sisters of color, we gotta do better. No survival in this era if we turning on each other. Like a family reunited, they hate it when we together. Sit down, let's talk about it. Listen to the teachers, let them tell you. You want facts behind your questions, Dr. Rick, give them the answer. Followed by wise words, introducing Dr. Michael Blanchard. Many guests and activists every week leading by example. When there's problems, there's solutions. Together we are the answer. The teachers. Indiana, Iowa, Illinois. The teachers. Ohio, Tennessee, Alabama, Florida. The teachers. North Carolina, South Carolina, all the way to Georgia. The teachers. Kansas to Missouri, Kentucky to Virginia, Texas, Oklahoma. The teachers. Louisiana, Mississippi, New York and Pennsylvania, North and South Dakota. The teachers. Washington State to Nevada, Utah to Colorado, Arizona, California. The teachers. My brothers and sisters of color, we gotta do better. No survival in this era if we turning on each other.